Hi everyone and welcome to my place. Not so long ago I did a magazine interview for a magazine in the States called Cottages and Bungalows, and this is the design that I did, and I've had a few requests on how I did it, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to show you how to do it. Very easy. Give me a moment to strike the flowers. And do you know what I love about green? Green goes all year, season to season. Give me a few minutes to strike it and I'll show you how quick and easy it is to put together. Right, everything has been laid out into its little placement groups, which is important. Now, depending on the size of your jar, there could be an issue because some of the flowers are long and look great. Some of them are a little bit short, and when you put them into the vase, they just disappear. So I've got a wee tip and trick to show you how to fix that. First things to go in are the hydrangeas, and I call this design one of my loose informal designs, and I want it to look as if I just went to the garden and then picked my blooms and then just plonked them into a vase. Now open up your stems and spread those leaves out. Now I've got 3 of those, so I'm going to put I'm just plonking them in at this stage, and I'll put that one into there like so. And if you cross the stems when you put them into your vase, that will actually help to be like, it's sort of like, oh, what am I saying, like a little foundation to hold everything together. Now I've got several pieces of this lovely gum here, so I'm just going to put one into there, and I want this to look more two-sided as opposed to all around. But if you wanted to do it to be viewed from all around, when you put your foliage in, just make sure that you've got equal distance between your placements. That can go down and into there, and then the third bit I'm going to bring over to there like so, and I'm going to leave that until the end because I might just have the odd void or hole that I can use to fill that in. Now with this lovely gum here, I love this, it's beautiful with its textures with the little gum nuts onto it. And you know what, green is such a good colour, and as I said in my intro, if you're looking for something that's just sort of like an arrangement to go all year, the greens are just fantastic, and they just add a little bit of harmony and balance to a room. And you know, if you walk into something that's like colours all over the place, sometimes it's nice to just, let your eye rest. Okay, so I'll put another one there, bring that over to there. How easy is this? I'll bring that up and into there like so. This one can come around and over to there. And I'm going to leave this one until the end because I want to bring some of this foliage up into the top. Now, I've got some beautiful, beautiful proteas here. This is the little mink and this is the king. Now, this is going to be too short for into my container, and this is where I cheat the system. Just get a satay stick, or not a satay stick, a bamboo skewer, or you could use, if you've got a bit of plastic that you've had of a flower that you've already cut, you could use that as well. And then just using the cable ties, or I think that in America you guys call them zip locks, that to there, pull that quite tight, and then I'll do the same with this, and hopefully, and you'll need to, because if you don't, that stick will just move around and we don't want any moving. Okay, so I'm just going to bring that into the center. This one I've already done. Put that one into there. I've got oops. That can go into there like so. This one can go down and into there. And then with the shorter one, I'm just going to bring that to the front and then just bend that so that that bends down like so. This one can go up and into there like that so that you can see it. And then with this here, I'm not going to extend that. I'm just going to bring a little bit of red down into there. That can go over to there, and this other can go around and into there. I do like this working backwards, back to front. well, from behind, but it's working so far. Now, the next thing to go in are the snowberries, and I've also extended those as well because they're very short. That can just go up and into there. This, I need to see what I'm doing now. This can go into there like so. And then the last piece, I'm just going to bring that down and around and into there like so, so that you, oh yes, that's looking exactly like I wanted it to look. Now, with the extra piece of gum, I'm going to put that into there like so, and then that can go into there. And then I've got this lovely piece of like, it's just a little bit of branchy stuff, and I'm going to bring that up and into there, and the branch will just give it a little bit of movement. How's that? That is what I call quick and easy designing and an arrangement for any room for any time of the year. Hope you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed sharing it with you, and I look forward to seeing you all again another day.